Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's day 2 of this here ice storm here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. I didn't go to work, y'all. Nope, I didn't, because ice, you don't want to play with icy roads, okay? My car was covered in ice. I was like, nope. I was like, we not gonna do it. We not gonna do it. We not coming in. Simple as that. Okay. Go ahead and move on to this hair video, because I can get in a whole bunch of stuff and I don't need nobody watching my video talk about this, that, and that. So I say that to say this is day. Okay, wait a minute. The storm started Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So day 2 or 3 of the storm. Saturday and Sunday. So I only had to miss one day, which is today, and this which today is Monday. Back to work on Tuesday, and then I'm off again for 2 more days. I just couldn't do it, y'all. Like, I just couldn't do it. I'm not even going to try. I almost slipped coming down the steps trying to check on my car. I do plan to go outside so I can see, because I do have to go to work tomorrow. So I'm going to have to go outside and check on my baby. But with that being said, y'all, thinking about switching my bag, because right there I am using the LL Bean tote at the moment. So I was like, you know what, maybe I should go ahead and switch back into my luxury bag, so I can go ahead and start putting stuff in. I think I'm gonna go ahead and rock the Speedy, because I feel like that's more of a throw and go bag. So let me go ahead and do that. And I'm going to also decorate her for you all in this hair video, because I got me some cute bag charms. Well, they not just for bags, but I use it as a bag charm. So let me go grab my Speedy and let's see if that's what we're going to upgrade to. My Speedy. This here was one of the first luxury bags that I purchased. Over 10 years old, you all. And you can see the wear. It's like a golden color, y'all. I'm so happy my handles didn't turn that disgusting black. Here's my Speedy. Like I said, this here is the Speedy 30. If I ever purchase another Speedy, it would more likely be a size 25. This 30 is a little too big, but of course I'm not going to sell it or get rid of it, because I feel like I won't get what I paid for. But you know what? I probably would, but it's fine. I do have it stuffed, because this here is one of them slouchy bags. If y'all know anything about Henry Bendel, this is the dust bag. Around, I was unboxing Henry Bendel's as well. This is one of the old dust bags. So like I said, my Speedy is the older version, because my inside pocket doesn't zip, because I think the newer versions of the Speedies, the inside pocket has a zipper. Mine's don't. Hardware did kind of tarnish, but I'm not looking to get a new lock, because I feel like it goes along with the bag, matches the bag vibe, if that makes any sense. Like, I did get my initials on this here bag as well. Is everything. When I first got this bag, I do remember I had to take it back in, because I didn't like the way the piping looked. So since it was under warranty, they was able to fix it for free. The piping being a lot lighter than the rest of the bag, so it finally caught up to the bag. Hair strap goes a lot longer, but I never put the strap on with the bag. So if I was to add that strap to this hair bag, it will be a lot lighter than the bag. So I don't know if I would ever put that on. I usually wear this as a shoulder bag if I get tired of carrying it in the crook of my arm. Not so much a crossbody. A little too big for a crossbody. But I do know, I have seen the newer Speedies. They have that thicker strap. And I do have that particular strap on my bum bag, so I could sometimes switch out the strap and put that particular strap on this hair bag. That would look cute as well. Still looks clean. Like I said, if I was to sell this bag, I could sell it and it's in perfect condition, other than the darkness of the patina. But again, that's what happens when you have a bag this long. But I feel like it's aging very well, because like I said, this bag is over 10 years old. My first bag back in 2018, 17, 18, I think. Not sure. Don't quote me on that. I have water stains on here. I do wish I can get this a little tighter so it can keep this from sliding. But I don't know if that's something I could buy at the Louis Vuitton store. But again, it's fine. Those still look pretty good. It is darkened. The handles did darken very well, but it's not black. Because I think the bags that were more so in the 80s, 90s, those handles are black. I don't know what they made them bags with, but I didn't like that black look on the handles. So I'm just happy mine's don't look like that. I think I'm going to go ahead and switch out in my Speedy 30. And I've been putting my little cute bag charms thing on TikTok where everybody was bedazzling their Speedies. Like, oh my God, the girlies did not come to play when they were out here bedazzling their bags. Like, I think this is so cute, y'all. I did get this from Target. It is a blind buy. And I got this pink and I also have the red. But I think I may keep this on my Speedy because it's something with pink and brown. It's just do something to me. So this is the bag that I was currently carrying. But I don't know. I feel like I carried it long enough. So I am going into my luxury bags. This would be my first luxury use of 2026. I haven't been grabbing my luxury bags like that. I just been using whatever I had. So I don't know. I'm just feeling like I want to jump into my Louis Vuitton. Really quick. I have my Prada pouch. And I just have all my little Prada like my Prada makeup things. Like I have my Prada lotion. I have this here Prada mirror, you all. When I saw the brand rep pull this out, because it was gift with purchase, I was like, oh my gosh. I ain't mean to act like that, but I was like, oh my God, can I get one of these here mirrors? Because when I tell you, I thought this was the cutest thing. Like, oh my gosh, this thing is yo, when I tell you this thing is cute. So happy that I have relationships with the brands where they do look out for me like that. So I was just like, yes, I need that. I'm sorry, I need that. Like, look how cute this is. Like, tell me that it's not cute, okay? So I have my Prada mirror. I have my little mini Prada lipstick. And then I also have my other two Prada lipsticks. And then I also have a Prada eyeshadow palette. Prada girl looks out, okay? Saw that I had the Prada pouch. I was like, oh, let me take a picture with all my Prada stuff, because this here is one of my Prada pouches. So having this, oh, I just had like all my catch-all stuff, because we supposed to have like a little clear clear pouch, but I don't know, that clear pouch is ugly. I'm sorry, it is. It gets dirty and everything. So this is my clearance lip balm. I did bedazzle her out because I bought some rhinestones off of Amazon. Having fun with that. So we're going to go ahead and put this in here. And I haven't been keeping my bags clean, y'all. I don't know why, but I haven't. And organize this a little better. Take everything out and then I'll just put everything in. So I'm gonna grab my gum, gloves. I have my Chanel wallet. I need some more lotion because I used the mess out of this. My Laneige, I bedazzled this out too. It's almost gone, so I'm gonna have to take this off and put it on something else soon. My Louis Vuitton pouch, inhaler, y'all. Yes. I had, ever since I got older, y'all, things have been happening. So now with my grown ass, I'm carrying around an inhaler. Some toothpicks. I have to have my hand sanitizer. Toilet seat covers. I had some people tell me, like, girl, if you don't sit on the toilet, my ass ain't touching nobody's toilet. I'm sorry. I don't work toilet like none of them toilets. My ass ain't touching shit. I need seat covers. But thank God my job do provide seat covers, because y'all, even though we the only ones that use the bathroom, but everybody ass ain't assing, okay? So here's my hand sanitizer I got from Target. Y'all, I thought this was the cutest thing. This here is my Glossier AirPod case holder. This is something I got from Glossier. It holds my AirPods. I haven't been wearing my AirPods lately because I had my piercing, and I don't know why did I get both. I don't know why. I do know why, because she said it was for free. Oh, here's the red one that I got. The red one is cute. The little red devil. Like, ain't she cute? But I'm going to switch out because I did wear this for maybe like a week or two. And with my pink one, because I feel like it's so cute, right? All right, so let's go ahead and put the stuff in her. So like I said, my toothpicks, my Louis Vuitton, my seat covers, hand sanitizer. Only reason why I'm carrying two, because as you can see, this is almost empty. And I told you I need my hand sanitizer. I have my car keys. I have my wallet. I probably put this in the back. So yeah, I was able to put that in the back area. Yeah, I love a slouchy hobo bag. Like, look how slouchy this bag is. That's why this bag, I never purchased a organizer, because I like a slouchy bag. I have my other lip gloss, my lotion, my medicine, my AirPods. So yeah, that's everything that I have in my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. So much more room for more stuff, y'all. Do you see how much room is left? Like, I could put a lot more. I could put my iPad in here. I could put a book. I could put a water bottle. Like, I could put so much more in here, but I'm not going to do that. Because I feel like this is enough. Like, this here has a little weight to it, heavy to carry. Like I said, if it do get heavy, this is why I always kept this here strapped so I can carry it like so. But most of the time when I'm going to work, I carry it, you know, like in the crook of my arm, or I'll just carry this alongside of my lunch bag and everything else. And that carries everything but the kitchen sink. That's why when I tell you it's so hard for me to just carry what, 5 things or 6 things. Like, I'm sorry, I'm that girl that carries everything, okay? Carry more, but you know, since the rules, I had to cut back, but still, cutting back is still killing me, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Show you the bag that I am currently carrying now, as of now, is my Speedy 30. Like I said, I still love her. She is just super cute. To wear at the moment. Stay safe and stay warm. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.